Hello everyone, this is Howard from Diego Remodeling. What we're doing here is we're fixing a post for one of our customers. As you can see, it's completely dry rotted out, termite damaged. So what we're going to do is we've already primed and painted our trim, and so we're going to install new trim. Our phone number is area code 619-850-4794. You can call us for your wood post repairs at your home or your office. Have a great day and thanks for watching our video. We're happy to come out and give you a free estimate. This one's a 6x6, 10 feet tall. Have a great day and bye for now. Hello everyone, this is Howard from Diego Remodeling. What we're doing here is fixing a post base on the existing 6x6 beam here they have on their patio cover. The bottom was completely rotted out. You can see our pictures. So we removed all the trim and installed new trim.